So before we start our work today, the most important piece that we need to remember is that a zero pair has no effect on your boat. If I want my boat to sail at +3, I put 3 floats on my ship. If I add a zero pair, it doesn't change the level of the boat at all. If I take that zero pair away, it doesn't change the level of the boat at all. We're really going to have to be using zero pairs today. We're going to be adding them in when we need them, which will allow us to subtract or take away what we need. Today I'm going to model several different subtraction problems and how floats and anchors could potentially help you solve those problems. If you don't have a good strategy from pre-algebra, this might be something you could turn to. While you're watching, it may be helpful for you to have your own ship and floats and anchors available so you can copy what I'm doing, or you can pause the video after each problem and try it on your own. The first problem I'm going to start with is 2 minus 5. I'm going to begin the problem just like I would any addition problem. This +2 tells me that my ship should have 2 floats on it. But as I go through the problem and follow instructions, it says that I'm now supposed to take away +5 or take away 5 floats. I don't have enough here to do that. What I'm allowed to do is add a zero pair to my collection. We know that even if we add this zero pair to our cargo, our ship will still be at 2 and we'll still be representing that accurately. I'm going to keep adding some zero pairs here until I have gotten enough floats to follow directions. Take away 5 floats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is left over is my answer. 2 minus 5 equals, whoops, there goes my pencil, equals -3. Let's try another one. -4 minus 3. I'm going to begin my problem just like I do addition. It says I've got 4 negatives, which means that I should have 4 anchors. Now I'm supposed to take away 3. Take away +3. But I don't have any +3s here. In order to get some positives and not change my boat from the -4 position, I'm going to add a zero pair. It doesn't change anything. It keeps my ship just where it is, but it allows me to collect some floats that I'll be able to take away. -4, take away 3. 1, 2, 3. What's left over is my answer. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 anchors. 4 minus 3 equals -7. I'm going to clear those off. This one says 1 minus -6. I'm going to start my problem with my +1. I've got one float, but now I'm supposed to take away 6 negatives, or take away 6 anchors. Because I don't have those, again, I'm going to utilize my 0 pairs. I need to take away 6 anchors, which means I will have to place 6 0 pairs into my ship excuse me, in order to follow the directions of the problem. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, one more, 6. Now, minus -6, let's take away 6 anchors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is left over is my answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1 minus -6 equals 7. The last example I have for you involves 2 negatives. I start my problem with -2, but I need to take away 5 negatives. I only have 2, which means if I need to take away 5 anchors or 5 negatives, I've got to add 3 0 pairs. When I do that, I'm able to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, take away my 5 anchors, and my answer is what I have left. -2 minus -5 equals 3.